If you're getting an Epic Games timeout error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes you can try right now to get the Epic Games launcher working again. This issue is usually caused by a network problem, a stuck launcher session, a VPN conflict, or a corrupted cache file. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to do is restart your router. This may sound simple, but it's one of the most effective fixes for timeout errors because it gives your connection a fresh start. To do that, unplug your router or modem, wait about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to fully reconnect, and then try opening Epic Games again. If the problem was caused by a temporary internet issue, this step can solve it immediately. Next, close the Epic Games launcher completely and reopen it. Sometimes the launcher gets stuck trying to connect to the servers, and a full restart clears that out. Make sure you don't just minimize the window. Actually exit the launcher completely. You can check your system tray or task manager if needed to make sure it's fully closed. After that, launch Epic Games again and see if the timeout message is gone. If you're using a VPN, disable it for now. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games connections and trigger timeout errors, especially if the server location is unstable or blocked. Turn off the VPN completely, then relaunch the Epic Games launcher and try signing in again. If that fixes the issue, you may want to leave the VPN off while using Epic Games, or test a different server location later. Another very common fix is clearing the Epic Games cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted and cause login or loading problems. To do this, first make sure the Epic Games launcher is closed. Then open File Explorer and go to the Epic Games cache location. Look for the Webcache folder and delete it. If you see a Webcache _ folder or similar cache folders, you can remove those as well if needed. Don't worry. Epic Games will recreate the cache automatically the next time it opens. After deleting the cache, restart your computer and open the launcher again. Once that's done, test Epic Games launcher again and check whether the timeout error is fixed. In many cases, one of these steps is enough to solve the problem, but if not, the combination of restarting your router, closing the launcher, disabling VPN, and clearing the cache usually does the trick. If this video helped you fix the Epic Games timeout error, please leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells me to make more quick fix videos for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.